Hey guys, today's video will be on the Water Warriors Pulse Strike. Yep, and it's a water blaster or super soaker, and it's made by Busby Toys. Can be seen on the top left. Anyway, it says it blasts up to 40 feet and holds up to 55 ounces of water, and it's around 5¼ pounds when filled. Alright, so this is the Pulse Strike out of box, and it is quite big. I'll show you the areas of the gun. Here's the pump handle, and this is the reservoir with the cap at the top. I do prefer this kind of cap compared to the Nerf style, because the Nerf one tends to rattle a lot inside, which is very noisy and irritating. Yep, so this one you still have the sort of latch so that you do not lose the cap, which is good. And the tank is also slightly see-through, so yep, that's good as well. Pump handle is very nice and comfortable. But the main handle is actually quite small. You can tell like from the rest of the blaster. So yeah, main handle is quite small, close to a Busby Berserker handle. Alright, and I think that's about it. I'll now do a water firing test. So the blaster is now slightly more than half filled. I filled it to the top, but then I was playing around with it, so it's now just a bit more than half full. And the box says that at full capacity it weighs 5¼ pounds. So now, even though it's just about more than half full, it's still very heavy. Also, the box says that 4 pumps will give you maximum power, and that is actually true, because I realized that this system actually has an overpressure valve. So after pumping more than 4 times, there will be no range increase. Okay, so now I'll show you guys firing test. Okay, now I'll show you what I mean by it has an overpressure valve. After I pump it up 4 times, you can hear that the sound changes in the pump. Yeah, if you hear that, there's some like high-pitched irritating noise, that's actually the overpressure valve. So if I fire it now, there will be no difference to when I pump it up 4 times. See, so the pressure is quite good. The initial burst is quite powerful, but because you only pump it 4 times, the pressure dies down very fast, so that's not very good. But yeah, the initial pressure is quite decent, I would say, and I think that's about it. So my review on Water Warriors Pulse Strike, and I would just be using this blaster for its internals, because I hear the air tank or water tank is quite massive, air tank rather. So yep, I'll be using that for something, so check it out when it comes out. Thanks for watching.